Okay, everyone. So I believe that in the first episode that I mentioned that there's a icon on the bottom left, which is your avatar icon. So whenever you click, it will have some error message, especially for Android phone. So I happen to have Android phone, and this is a well-known issues to all the Android users, and Niantic is trying their best to resolve this. So right now, you might say that, hey, if Niantic is resolving this, does that mean that we are unable to access to our characters info? Um, Not really. Let me show you how it's done. So basically, at the bottom left, once you click, you will see this error message. I mean, in my episode 1 of my videos for Wizards Unite, you can see that I also face this issue as well. So I thought it's my wireless or my mobile connection unstable of my mobile connections, or maybe my mobile data is insufficient. So I tried this. So I tried many ways. I'm still unable to access it, but when I searched in Google itself, I found some solutions that are provided by the communities. Is that once you enter this game, close your location services, close it. Once you off your location services and you click on this, and then it will work. So basically, this is a video to teach you how to overcome these situations. But of course, once you finish this, you can turn back on your location services again in order to continue playing the game. So whenever you want access to your personal profile, make sure you off your location services first before you click on the personal profile icon. If not, you will get a message to ask you to restart your applications, and yeah, you will be restarting your game. So this is a very short video just to let you know how to access to your personal profiles, especially when you're Android user facing the issues, facing the error issues. So this is a short video, and hope you guys able to access it, and good luck. My second episode will be out soon. Goodbye.